Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel and friends. How are you all? Hope you will find and like it these collections. It's beautiful styles ideas sharing this my channel. So hope you like all the unique and beautiful ideas and different collections of friends. Latest styles are very different and prettiest different recycling, tin, plant in decoration hanging ideas and different ideas sharing this my channel. So I hope you like it and unique style ideas and unique style ideas are bestly. So friends, I hope you like it and unique style ideas are bestly. And my dear viewers, all the unique are very interested or beautiful, and I shared with you amazing and different stories. Keep watching it starting to end. And my dear viewers, you can watch all the latest designs and very interested collections and different studios of bestly friends, so you can watch it. Recycled paint, flowers, hanging decorations ideas and beautiful style ideas of bestly collection. So friends, hope you all like it and different ideas of friends in this style sure unique and beautiful updates. And my dear friends, and unique and decent style ideas of best. So this collection are interested or prettiest and share different recycling tin ideas. So keep watching it all the unique collection starting to end and connect with me. So friends, I hope you like it and different styles ideas are bestly. It's beautiful style ideas and beautiful collections. So friends, you can watch it all the unique ideas and different collections. So friends,